I am back with another video. This video will show you why you need to recover your Apple email account. If you go very easily, there is a formula in this place. For example, if you have opened an iCloud account with any number, if you remember that number, then you can recover your email using our service. And if you don't remember the number, then it won't work. Remember, we will only recover the email ID, not the password. How to check? Visit skynettool.com. Go to open our website and click on the select service. The link and type your number. If show you email address after, put number but you don't remember. We can do it only email ID, not a password. Now I open skynettool.com and search find email Apple ID by number service. After coming service, select service, look down a little. See, there is a link, click on it, then the recovery page will open. After open page for recovery, enter your mobile number, which one you use when create Apple ID, same number with country code. I just show you someone forget Apple ID, I just show you how to check. If show email address, then we will place the order in skynettool.com. After put number, click it, then show next page. If show like that email address we will recover, not a password. After recover your email address, you can active your account. Remember, in this case I don't give any password. If you think you can do it after fund ID, then try it. Will we give 100% real account? We will give back again skynettool.com. If need to recover your account, then here put full mobile number with county code, which one you create Apple ID for Apple ID. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.